Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Nomadic Goddess and I am Jasmine. This is going to be a general monthly reading for the sign of Virgo for the month of June. Now you don't just have to be a Virgo Sun, you can be a Virgo Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury, and or Midheaven. Just because I said it's for the month of June doesn't mean it's solely for that time. It is for whenever you are guided to my channel and decide to hit play. Because this is a general reading, you shouldn't take everything with you. If the shoe fits, lace it up, find the matching pair, and travel well. If it does not fit, leave it. There's no need to carry messages that do not ring true for you. Now, Spirit sometimes gives me messages via songs, bits and pieces of movies that I've watched and books that I've read. Now, the only issue is with these songs, they get stuck in my head and I do sing them. I can't sing, so if you can put up with my horrible singing, I hope you enjoy, discover something new about yourself, and don't be afraid to dive deep. All right, Virgos, let's get into it. All right, what energy is Virgo consciously interacting with for the month of June? What energy is Virgo consciously interacting with for the month of June? Okay, what energy is Virgo subconsciously interacting with for the month of June? What energy is Virgo subconsciously interacting with for the month of June? South Node, karmic past. All right, what energy is working for the highest good of Virgo for the month of June? What energy is working for the highest good of Virgo? Ooh, we have a flyer. Vesta, home or devotion. What energy is causing opposition or friction for Virgo for the month of June? What energy is causing friction or opposition for Virgo for the month of June? What energy is causing friction or opposition for Virgo? The 12th house, the subconscious, Pisces energy. Okay, what energy is Virgo consciously interacting with for the month of June? What energy is Virgo consciously interacting with for the month of June? Okay, what energy is Virgo consciously interacting with for the month of June? What energy is Virgo consciously? Beaver. Okay, what energy is Virgo subconsciously interacting with for the month of June? Force. What energy is working for Virgo's highest good for the month of June? What energy is working for Virgo's highest good for the month of June? What energy is working for Gazelle? All right. What energy is causing friction or opposition? What energy is causing friction or opposition for Virgo for the month of June? Ooh, Nightingale. Okay. Interesting. All right, clarify 10th house and Beaver for Virgo. Clarify 10th house. Clarify 10th house for Virgo. Ten of Cups, clarify South Node and Horse. Clarify South Node and Horse. Empress, clarify Vesta and Gazelle. Clarify Three Swords. Clarify 12th house and Nightingale. Clarify 12th house and Nightingale. Four of Wands. Okay. I literally just got that Tyler the Creator song stuck in my head now with Kylie Uchi. Okay. Okay. The energy that you are consciously interacting with for this month, Virgos, is the 10th house, which is status. It's ruled by Capricorn as well. Ruled by Capricorn and Saturn. It's the public image, the reputation, the career, long-term goals, fame, recognition, ambition, respect, achievement, honors, success, potential, and authority. You're also interacting with Beaver energy as well. Beaver energy is water energy. I find it interesting that you are interacting with Beaver energy and water energy and earth energy. So beavers are also earth energy as well. Just like frog, just like turtle, because those energies dwell in water, but they can also dwell on land as well. So beaver is the hard worker, loyal, tireless, and family first person. And it makes sense that you are consciously, or this energy you're consciously working with, because one, this is status, this is job, this is work, and this is like hard working. Like beavers build dams all the time, and it's hard working. And what's clarifying, this is the 10 of Cups, so it's emotional fulfillment. It's like the dream come true. It's the picket fence, the house with the picket fence. Now, what energy you are subconsciously interacting with is their South Node, which is your karmic past. It's your comfort zone. It's the things that you've already mastered. It's old habits. It's the past. It's unfinished business. It's your current gifts or talents, your natural strengths, your limitations, but also where you have the potential to have some form of stagnancy. And you're also interacting with horse. Okay. Horse energy is, I always want to say that horse energy is connected to the Knight of Pentacles. Don't know why. It just gives me Knight of Pentacles vibes whenever I pull it. But horse energy. Okay. I keep getting that song stuck in my head. Okay. Horse energy, or even if we're gonna say Knight of Pentacles energy, it's slow and steady, but also it's it's the waiting for the perfect moment. And Spirit is telling me that there is no perfect moment. You create the perfect moment. Because horse also is horses also stand for momentum. It's also expansive energy. It can also have ties with Jupiter as well. Because when horse energy is out of balance, it runs away and it feels weak. So Spirit is saying that you have everything that you need. Like, there, you create, especially because the Empress card is clarifying this. It's like you have everything you need within yourself. You have all your potential, all the potential that you need, all the power that you need to just propel yourself forward and to actually start dwelling in the horse energy. You have it. So stop looking outside of yourself for it. You have it. It's within you. The energy that is working for your highest good is Vesta, devotion, which is sacred sexuality, fertility, Kundalini energy, dedication, purity, self-discipline, focused passion, diligence, inner spark, and spiritual commitment. It's the focused passion and the inner spark, especially when it comes to yourself, especially when it comes to the energy that you are interacting with subconsciously, because South Node is all about dealing with the gifts that you are, the gifts and the lessons that you already mastered, the things that you already mastered. And the Gazelle, you're also interacting with, or what's working for your highest good is Gazelle energy. Now, the Gazelle energy, I see it as Leo because of the sun behind it, but I also see it as Aries energy as well. So the Gazelle card is fire sign or fire energy. And so you can use that cardinal energy that is Aries to propel yourself forward, to get to be the initiator. And then you could use Leo's energy, that fixed energy, to one, keep that momentum, to make sure that that energy is, that momentum that you're getting is fixed on your goal. You have the Three of Swords clarifying this, but I'm gonna go ahead and clarify the Three of Swords because I'm getting that you guys are put that one back. If they want to come out, it'll come out. Clarify Three of Swords for me. Clarify Three of Swords. You guys are, some of you are healing from okay. So literally, as you can see, Spirit said the Three of Swords is going to clarify the Three of Swords. Pain is is basically what's motivating you out of your depression. So like the reason why you're feeling these things, the reason why you're having these falling outs and these conflicts is because it's like it's dry, like, because for some of you, because the only thing that you know is pain, because the only thing that you're used to is pain, and because the only thing that you respond to is pain, the universe is, all right, well, fine, we'll give you pain. Now get your ass fucking moving so you can have the Ten of Cups, so you can create the Ten of Cups. Get your ass moving, let's go. Now, the thing or the energy that is having, or that's giving you some opposition and some friction is the 12th house, is Pisces. It's the house, it's what we call, the 12th house is literally the house of self-undoing. It rules the subconscious. It's all things hidden. It's your limiting beliefs. It's your self-sacrificing. But it's also where you find healing. It's where you find ending. It's where you find your closure. It's where you tap into spirituality. It's where your sorrow is, but it's also where your intuition, where your dreams are. It's the unseen realm. It's the spirit realm. And what's also holding you back is Nightingale energy. It's speaking your fucking truth. Speaking up for yourself. Speaking your truth. Nightingale energy is air energy, so you may want to take a look at some of the air readings as well. But when Nightingale is in play, it's like you have a voice. It's a fearless voice, speech or communication or song. You have this gift of voice. You have the story that you need to tell. So why the fuck aren't you saying? Why are you allowing your subconscious? Why are you allowing your shadow or your limiting beliefs to hold you back? What's clarifying that is Four of Wands. It's Four of Wands. Four of Wands is, it's supposed to be joy. It's supposed to be home. Like, you want this, but you're so used to this. So like you're wanting this, but also the Four of Wands, it's the illusion of this, especially when it's coming to the 12th house. Well, 12th house is all about illusion. It's all about subconscious. Like I said earlier, it's about the house. It's literally the 12th house. It's the house of self-undoing. But it can also be the house of where you heal yourself, where you find healing. You have to go through this and this to become this, so you can create this. This is what you want. Happy life, happy wife, the picket fence, the love, the status, the family, the happy family, the happy husband, happy wife, whatever. You want this, but you're so used to this. You're so used to dwelling in this that the universe is like, all right, we'll give it to you in every aspect, in every sense of the way. We'll give it to you. All right, what affirmations do Virgos need to hear right now or for the month of June? What affirmations? What affirmations do Virgos need to hear for the month of June? What affirmations do Virgos need to hear for the month of June? What affirmations do Virgos need to hear for the month of June? I am charismatic 3. Oh, here we go. I am insightful 29. Okay. 2, I am diplomatic. And 777, I am in the flow. We gonna hit you with one more. What affirmations do Virgos need? Thank you. I am confident. Look at that. 3, I am charismatic. 29, I am insightful. 2, I am diplomatic. 777, I am in flow. And 13, I am confident. Virgos, that is your reading for the month of June. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Mostly comment, because I love interacting with everyone and all of you. And I will see you next month. All right, Virgos, peace out.